Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. Now we are making a reversal patterns on the 4 hour time frame. We do have one small little bit of a pattern that you're breaking above and you're holding the retest quite perfectly for Pepe at the moment. So if we take the EMAs this time around, and as I told you before, that you have already broken the downtrend, and you can see that you had a downtrend here, you've broken above it. So what can happen next? Maybe come down, fall down to this trend line and retest the trend line and go back up. But what you're doing right now is you're making a 4 hour time frame bullish, EMA cross. So this here is a bullish cross, and we can see that when you broke above, you came down, and you can see that you're pretty much holding above the EMA, which gives a confirmation of that bull cross right now. So as I've been saying this for quite some time, and yes, I think for so many reasons, this here, as long as you just don't come down to 8736, you're actually good to push to the upside. The second thing, there are three things I'm going to talk about. So the second thing is that weekly time frame also shows that if you turn on the EMA, the 10 EMA has been successfully been retested right over here on the weekly time frame. So yes, the EMAs, the 10 EMA has bounced off the 10, and you also, not only did you bounce off, but in 3 days, if you close green like this, you do have a bullish engulfing candle to actually return back to the upside. Number three is the following, right? I'm gonna go to the Discord, and I told this to my members. And by the way, speaking of Discord, there are 3 more days to close the private, where I do actually take trades. Well, some of you, I think, before I talk about this calendar, I think that June has great discounts. All right, I don't have the spare money to buy anything anymore. I've been buying back in 2022. But if any one of you really thinks that they have that money and they need to buy something for the next bull run, well, I can actually suggest you some few coins when you do join the private. So message me for that one. And the thing is that June here, what I want to say is that anytime you had a red month of June, it was followed by a green month. When you had a red month, a green month, the red month and a green one, the red and a green, the red and a green, all right? So based on history, whenever you had just any red candle in June, it was followed by a green candle in July, right? So history repeats. We may see the same thing happening one more time. And my personal take is that yes, we're going to see the next week probably being green. And to me personally, whatever is happening with Bitcoin right now, I know everyone is pretty frustrated. I think it's nothing more than just a bear trap. Okay, I'm still very bullish on the market, and I think everything is done. Just as I said, altcoins are really cheap to be bought one more time. So do message me and be a part of the private, because in 3 days it closes. And that's all for the video. Do like the video if you enjoyed the new information, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.